What's up, crafters? So you decided to start a business? First off, I am so proud of you. I know that you're going to do amazing things. But let me tell you something. Your logo is not that big of a deal. Before you invest money into a graphic designer, before you invest your time into trying to figure out graphic design, pop on over to canva.com. So as a crafter, as someone that's trying to get their vinyl machine to actually work for them instead of the other way around, I don't want having to have the most aesthetically pleasing logo or perfect brand palette to stop you from trying to make money right away. Since opening my business, I've changed the way that my business has looked multiple times. And this isn't to say that it's the best way to go about it, but it is to say that you have permission to change. You have permission to develop and grow as a small business. As you figure out where you fit into the craft world, you're going to change. Your style is going to change. Your opinion on things are going to change. And if you spend a lot of money in the very beginning, you might end up feeling stuck. I committed $50, $100, $300, $500 to this perfect logo that I felt like was going to be amazing. And now it just doesn't match what I'm doing. I don't want that for you. Canva gives you the ability to design a lot of different things. It allows you to become a graphic designer without having to pay for a graphic design. As you can see, there are thousands of options available to you. You can sort by theme, by style, and even by color. As you scroll through, if you see a logo that catches your eye, you can absolutely click on that and start changing things out. Swap out the fonts, the colors, and the graphics all inside of Canva. And if you are anything like me, being perfect can literally stop you from achieving the things that you want to do, the things that you know that you can do. Sometimes getting caught up in those small details can prevent you from achieving and being the best version of you that you can. Now, because Canva is free to use, you might end up running into someone that has a very similar logo to you, and that's okay. It's not that big of a deal. If you want to eventually start investing some of that money that you're making back into your business and have someone create a custom logo for you, by all means, do that, because graphic designers are an incredible resource to have. But when you're starting out, it's not a resource that you absolutely need to have. Now, if you really want to know where I think you should focus your time and energy on, you should join me in this video here. There are a few things, and I think you might be a little surprised. Until next time, crafters.